Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to switch between graphical and text-based multi-boot menu in Windows 10 PC. Windows 10 offers two multi-boot menus, graphical and text-based. However, some users stick with the default option and never try to switch between graphical and text-based. This one is graphical and this one is text-based menu. In this video, we will walk through the straightforward steps to switch between these two modes, ensuring that boot process aligns perfectly with desired user experiences. The graphical multi-boot menu offers icons. This one offers icons and graphics representing different operating systems. Furthermore, it provides additional features like timeout options and customizations, offering a visually appearing interface. Users can interact with these menus using a mouse or keyboard. On the other hand, the this one text-based multi-boot menu uh, presents options in a straightforward text format, which is basically the usual Windows operating setup. Users can navigate through these menus using the keyboard, usually with arrow keys, to switch from text-based to graphical boot menu in Windows 10 PC. First, click on this one Start button. Then type here CMD. In the search results, right click on this one Command Prompt Entry and select here Run as Administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on this one Yes button. In the administrative command prompt window, all you need to copy and paste this one command bcdedit set default boot menu policy standard from this one video description. After that, press enter on the keyboard. You should see a message the operation completed successfully. After that, close this one command prompt window and reboot your PC to see the new boot menu on your Windows 10 PC. And to switch from graphical boot to text-based menu in Windows 10, again you need to click on this one Start button, then type here CMD. In the search results, right click on this one Command Prompt Entry and select here Run as Administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on this one Yes button. In the elevated command prompt window, you need to copy and paste this one command from this one video description that says bcdedit set default boot menu policy legacy. After that, press enter on the keyboard. You should see a message the operation completed successfully. After that, close this one command prompt window and reboot your PC once to apply these changes. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.